Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView. First, navigate to the TradingView website or open the application. You'll immediately see a default chart. This platform provides robust charting capabilities for analyzing financial markets. It's designed to help traders and investors make informed decisions by visualizing price movements and applying various analytical tools. Let's get started with the main features. Once you're on a chart, you can easily change its type from the top menu, choosing options like candlesticks or bars. To add indicators, click the Indicators button and search for what you need, like a 20-period moving average or the Relative Strength Index. You can then customize these indicators by clicking their settings icon on the chart, allowing you to fine-tune parameters for your specific analysis. TradingView provides a comprehensive set of drawing tools on the left sidebar. You can draw trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, or identify support and resistance levels directly on your chart. Additionally, managing your favorite assets is simple with watch lists. Create a new list, add symbols, and even set price alerts. This ensures you stay informed about key price movements without constantly watching the screen. To save your customized chart setup, click the Layouts button and choose Save Layout. This allows you to quickly return to your preferred analysis environment. TradingView also boasts a vibrant community where you can explore published trading ideas and learn from others. For those needing more, premium subscriptions offer advanced features like multi-chart layouts and additional data feeds, enhancing your analytical power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.